I just did the flip side. Turned it over. Evidently that seemed to be, shall we say, more volatile than the other. Just testing the heat on the lens, didn't want it to melt the camera. I guess it's because of all the oil and carbon that's setting down in the bottom of that muffler. Nice little burn off there for a second. Can't imagine anything getting much hotter than the exhaust of a small engine, but guess all it takes is a couple degrees here and there. You can see it starting to flake. Right at the edge, right here. All that carbon coming off. Well, I've bored you enough. I'll put this one in a little bit, and take this off in a little bit and wire brush it and hit it with paint.